Okay guys, this is the weekend that I get stuff done. Okay guys, this is the weekend that I get stuff done. I am declaring it. I am in the Lowe's parking lot on a Friday at 5:30. I have my trim board. I'm going to put trim in the bathroom. This is what we've all been waiting for. I got a little paintbrush. I'm going to paint the beams. I am just ready. I'm ready to get this stuff done. My trip to Magnolia has completely motivated me to do everything and make my home beautiful. So we're gonna get shit done. All right, I'm home. I'm changed. And I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna start painting this beam. Quick before pano. We're gonna have to finish this and finish this. Here we go. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Oh God.
You're gonna drip everywhere.
It's everywhere.
You gotta use a tray.
But I saw someone on Instagram doing this.
You gotta start the edge too. You gotta keep a wet edge going across here.
Are you painting or me?
Are you painting or are you slapping paint on there?
I'm slapping paint on. How's it look?
Black.
It's like deep into my soul black. Beam one is done. Beam one is done. I think it'll look good. Right, these are the trim pieces for the edge. They're 1/2 or 1-inch quarter pieces. Here's my plants. I think that one's almost dead. This one I brought back to life. All right, it's the morning. We have our one black beam. We are tightening the stairs before I paint the steps. I haven't painted this top beam yet because I'm not sure. I'll probably end up painting it, but I'm gonna tape off the steps to paint them. So the treads are gonna be stained and the sides are gonna be black. So I'm taping each step. All right.
You'll just never know your teapot.
Okay, the black on the steps is done. So now I think I'm supposed to take the tape off while the paint is still wet. There she is. Wow. So now I must decide what to stain the treads. I think I really want to do a cedar color like on the door here. That's why I didn't paint that yet, because I really like that color. But I don't think it goes with the ceiling. The ceiling's jacking everything up. Look at this beautiful sandwich Dylan just crafted. The perfect BLT. All right. It's painted. The stairs treads are not stained. And I've not decided if I'm going to do that. What am I going to do with it? The problem is I love the color that it is, although it needs restained because as paint drips and things. I love this color. I wish that's what the underneath was, but it's not. It's darker, and so I'm not sure what to do yet. And whatever, I'll either paint that black or keep it the color it is. And then the treads, I'll either stain cedar or stain early American. All right, got a coffee this morning. I figured out, so I have a lot of plants and I have a lot of hanging plants. A little bit better. Anyways, I have a lot of plants. I figured out I can hang them on the back side of the beam with all these bolts, and so I've just been hanging my plants. Anyways, it's watering day, so I've been watering on my plants. Here are these, my little succulent. All my plants are propagating. We got some roots. This little guy's doing really good. Look at all that new growth down there. Plants are, I think it's lettuce, baby lettuce, sage, I think. We got a new leaf coming out of this girl. She's doing good. Look at that little baby leaf. This is my propagator I got from Magnolia. So we'll see how she goes. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I have this plant my mom got for me. And here's all my seedlings. I let them out in the rain yesterday to try to take a beating. So we'll see if the sun stands them back up. Some of them are falling over, but it looks like the sun is already propping them up this morning. Here's my little tomato from a tomato slice. It's still doing good. I need to separate it because there's too many seeds together. This is my little lemon tree. And this is my, I think it's a peace lily. Just watered it this morning. Got these two little lavender plants that I haven't potted yet. I got them yesterday at Lowe's. Lavender is supposed to deter wasps. And we had a big wasp problem. But you see this little guy right here. It looks like a wasp's nest, and since then we haven't had too bad of a problem. It's supposed to make them think, I guess they're territorial, so then they think that there's already some wasps here, so then they don't come around. We got a set of 4 of them on Amazon for $12. All right, we're gonna try to tackle this back corner, which has a million problems. The first problem is that this plug-in switch is right here, but the column has to come out to like here because it needs to match that width. So we have to move this, but it's screwed into the wall, obviously, and this top screw is stripped. All right, we got it. Okay, so we have this column, and we have to stack it out by 2 2x4s. So we're going to cut 4 2x4s and stack them on top of each other for the top and the bottom. All right, I'm going to go cut this first front piece. So I have to go up, and then I have to make a little L, and then I have to go all the way to the top, like that one over there. Here we have my first board. We forgot to cut the hole for the outlet. So we'll do that. We have also just realized we no longer have a jigsaw to cut this hole. So we'll be here all day, folks. We like a nice smooth, clean cut, no ragged edges. It's perfect. For this next part, our issue is that this drywall literally bows outward because of the board that was behind this drywall. It's just something we said we'll deal with it later. So now we have to deal with it. So we're gonna have to like cut the board like this. So I'm gonna measure at the top, the middle, the bottom, see how much the bow is, try to cut it, and then we'll fill it in with caulking, however much we mess up. We also have to cut around this drywall right here because this isn't drywalled and this is flat with this and it's a mess. All right, that column is up. Now we're gonna do this little spot here and then we just need to do the ones that run underneath and then the ceiling and then the trim. So now we're gonna tuck this wire up in there. And I just taped everything off to paint the column white, and I'm gonna paint the trim in the bathroom white. Hello guys, so it's Monday morning. I mean afternoon, evening, after work, 6 p.m. I have this much of the beam left to paint. That's what I'm gonna do. But we rearranged the living room, completely switched up the feng shui of the house. And we really love it so far. So our couch here used to be a L shape, a little square, but we have moved it. So from the kitchen here, it's all open. And we have our couch. So this is actually way bigger than when it was a square. Like, there's 4 seats. Yeah, it feels way bigger. And then we have that over there, which, you know, isn't perfect, but it's perfect because Annie likes to lay on it. Then we got my little plants and our bookshelf. And it just feels so much more open because you can walk to the kitchen. And then we have our cabinets here. My mom finished the last door on the cabinet, so we got to put that on. I got to order handles, and I think we're going to paint the cabinets green. After going to Magnolia and seeing all of her beauty and just the perfection that is Joanna Gaines, I think I might paint the cabinets like the Magnolia press color, that dark green, very rich forest green color. And I think it'll look great. I don't love the white. Like, I mean, they're obviously not painted right now, but I think it'll be cool. It'll be green, and that green should hide the gaps too, like those gaps between the sink. If it's a dark color, then it might blend in more. Anyways, I'm gonna finish painting this, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Our paintbrush froze in the fridge. Froze. Look at that. All right, here we are. The beam is finished. Our plants are everywhere. So all we have left to do is, so parts of this are wet, obviously. But see our trim right there? It's only 1 inch by 1 inch, and we need 2 inch by 2 inch because look at this gap, guys. I don't even know if 2 inches will do it, but we're gonna get bigger trim and put it around the outside. So that side has trim, but see, it wasn't quite big enough right there. So we're gonna get bigger trim, and hopefully that will make it look better. Okay guys, so that's all for this video. That's what we spent our weekend doing. That's what we got accomplished. I still need to stain the stair treads, and I think I'm gonna do cedar because I like it and Dylan likes it, and that's that. So it's looking good. Look how, huh?
And we have this boot thing that's cedar.
And we have this boot thing that's cedar that really sealed the deal for me. But we moved it all around and I really love it. So here we go. Once we're all finished with everything, which will still be a while, I still want to paint the cabinets. And the bathroom is its whole own separate video. We've been making a lot of progress in the bathroom, but I recorded everything separately. And so after all that, I'll do a new updated cabin tour. If you guys have any video ideas or anything you really want to see, please leave it in the comments below because sometimes I run out of ideas, but really it's just vlogging what we're doing. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Give me a like, a comment, anything helps. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.